sky. Two wings of truth begin to fly. An eagle bold with steady gaze, a dove that glows in gentle haze.
They circle near, they circle far, two spirits shaped by who they are. Yet in the light they slowly turn and trade the gifts they each have earned.
The eagle learns a softened heart, the dove takes on a braver part. Their forms entwine, their colors blend, where fierce and tender both ascend. For strength alone can lose its way, and gentle hearts may fall astray. But when the two begin to meet, a deeper harmony feels complete.
So let your courage hold the line, and let your kindness gently shine. For in your wings the truth is clear, both strength and peace belong.